How to see invite on Temu. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Temu and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Tap on New at the bottom and then head over to Earn Credits and Free Gifts. So in this page you can see a lot of different Temu programs for you where you have to refer your friends or family. And when you get a certain amount of invites, then you will get to get that reward. Let's say in cash reward, when you invite someone you can get tokens. And then with those tokens you can spin the wheel and get the money. And then that money is going to go into your current balance right over here. And once your balance hits $100, you can go ahead and cash out to your PayPal account, as well as get an $80 coupon. Now if you want to see your invites on Temu, then first you need to get the invites to begin with. You cannot see all invites that you have done a long ago. You will only be able to see the current invites that you have done. So with this cash reward as an example, you need to click on Refer Friends. Now go ahead and copy the link or the code and then promote it. Then when you log out of your Temu app and after a while you open it, and if someone does use your invite, you will be able to see the pop-up right over here. You don't really have to do anything. It will automatically going to show you all the invites including people from outside. So that's it, and this is how you can see invites on Temu. So that's it, and I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.